In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube banner on Canva. First, open your browser and log into your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look over to the left-hand side and find the option that says Create. Click that and a pop-up window will appear. At the top of this pop-up, you'll see a search bar. Type YouTube banner into that search bar. Canva will now show you various preset sizes and templates specifically made for YouTube channel art. Select the option you prefer and it will open inside the Canva editor in a new tab or window. When the editor loads, you'll notice that the templates panel is already open on the left side. This is where you can browse a large variety of ready-made banner designs. At the top of that panel, there's also a search field. You can use this to search for a particular style, like gaming, minimal, or vlog to better match your channel's vibe. Scroll through the options, and when you find a template you like, simply click on it. Canva will automatically place it onto your canvas, replacing the default blank layout. Now it's time to customize the template so it fits your channel. Start with the text. Double-click any text box on the banner, and you'll see a text toolbar appear at the top of the screen. From there, you can change the font, size, color, alignment, and spacing. Just type directly on the canvas to update the wording with your channel name, tagline, or upload schedule. If you want to add more text, go to the text tab on the left and choose from headings, subheadings, or body text. Next, adjust the elements. Click any shape, line, or decorative detail on the design and drag it to reposition it. Use the corner handles to resize, and if you right-click, you'll see more options like layering and duplicating. This helps fine-tune the layout so nothing overlaps important text or your profile picture area. For graphics and images, go to the Elements tab to add icons, shapes, or photos. If you have your own logo or pictures, open the Uploads tab and drag your files in. Once uploaded, drag them onto the banner and position them where they look best. As you design, keep a few tips in mind. Use high-quality images so your banner looks sharp on all devices. Avoid clutter so everything is easy to read. Match the design to your channel's theme. Use strong contrast between text and background. And keep your wording short and clear. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner and click the Share button, then choose Download. Select either PNG or JPG as your file type. Adjust any quality or size settings if needed, and click Download. Your YouTube banner will save to your device, ready to upload to your channel. And that's it. You've just created a custom YouTube banner using Canva.